Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we'll talk about OnePlus Nord 4. So let's get started. This phone body weight is 200 gram, glass front, aluminium frame, aluminium unibody, waterproof and dust proof. This phone display is 6.74 inch with fluid AMOLED 1B colors, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus. This phone resolution is 1240 into 2772 pixel. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 4nm. Memory 256GB with 12GB RAM and 512GB with 12GB RAM. OS Android 14, Oxygen OS 14.1. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and ultra wide angle 8 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. This phone front camera is 16 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. Video capture. This phone rear camera can capture 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30, 60 and 120 fps. And this phone front camera can capture HD with 30 fps. This phone battery is 5500 mAh with 100 watt charging system. This phone connectivity is 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6, NFC, fingerprint reader and a good sound system. Overall this phone is nice, and if you are looking for a long battery backup charging phone, then you can go with this. So that was the video for today, and I will see you in the next video.